and look, and if I lose any weight, you just see it in my face. I just look like, so.
Today I decided to do my very first makeup tutorial. I'm no means a makeup artist, and my makeup is basically very simple. On most days I just have mascara and lip gloss, but today I thought I would review NYX's Stay Matte but not matte foundation, liquid foundation. I'm going to try out these two colors. I'm going to mix them. I don't know which one is going to work for my skin tone, so I'm going to use both of them. Cinnamon Spice, which is 13, and Tony, which is 12. I'm gonna mix them together and see what we come up with. I believe that makeup should be used to enhance, you know, not cover everything up. You know, I like to still see my skin under foundation. Yeah, but that's just my preference. A long time ago, I used to use my fingers, but now I just think it's just too messy. So I'm just gonna pour this on here. So this is number 12, which is Tony. And then this is Cinnamon Spice, and then I'm just gonna use a foundation brush. I'll be using my Zoeva brush. Yeah, please make a nice mixture. Wow, a bit of gold and yellow. So it's so hard to find the right foundation shade, and so I'm just gonna mix them up. Then I'm just going to apply and so now I'm gonna go ahead and conceal. This is literally my favorite concealer. It's almost done. Look at that. Set the makeup, like if you have like a longer day and you're doing like thicker, more coverage foundation, then you definitely will need some powder just to set everything in place. I'm not going to contour. I'm just going to strobe, which is basically highlighting. So I'm just gonna highlight my nose, and that's it really. That's the only part I want highlighted. So yeah, now I'm just gonna wait for this to get slightly tacky, and then I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows. As I mentioned in my other video, I recently got microbladed, so my eyebrows still look quite dark and they're still healing. I'm still waiting for the final result, but so far I like them. Do you see the ease? I don't have to do anything. I don't have to go in with a brow brush, which this one is, by the way. Look at this, and it's got this, so I don't have to use this. Don't have to use this at all, because my brows are already perfect. All I have to do is just brush them out. I like this, and also I like the fact that they open up my eyes a little bit, because it's a little bit high, a bit of an arc, so my eyes look slightly wide open. Covered rather. Usually I would just use concealer under my eyes, and I don't wear any foundation. Just go about my day. Brush just a little bit for my crease, just to darken it slightly. I'm also testing this palette, you know, for my own line. I like these colors. I think, you know, this is like a simple palette that has everything. You have the shade you can use for like your crease, and then you have these little shimmers which give you a little bit of extra glam for during the day without doing the most. So I like this. And if you want to do like a smoky eye, you can go in with this. I love a smoky eye. I think this shade can be used to like highlight, so I'm gonna try just a little bit using this brush. Just a natural glow. Look at that. Into the skin. So yeah, I like liquid blush, so just to highlight, use this brush. I'm not gonna put on any powder. I'm just gonna use what's left over from my eyes, just to drag this part a little bit over here. Just to sharpen the edges of my nose, and just to blend this a little bit in. So I think generally when it comes to makeup, you don't have to follow the rules. There's no right or wrong way of doing it. You just need to do what feels comfortable and follow the shape of your own face. For example, I have a very strong jawline. Right now, it's early in the morning. I just woke up, so my face is like blown up usually, because when we sleep, the circulation of the blood comes to the face, so then you need, you know, like a bit of time for everything to like cool down. So usually, if you've noticed, in the morning our faces are like boom big. By the way, I have the contoured face because I have a very narrow lower part of my face, so that look, I naturally have that. Yeah, makeup should be fun. It should be fun, you know, not anything too serious. So I like this. So yeah, I never thought I would do like a makeup tutorial because I just like suck at it, you know, and I just do what feels natural to me. So this is a big turning point. So now that I'm done, almost done, I'm gonna use my Lancome mascara. Oh, by the way, my concealer was from LA Girl in Almond, just to highlight. Look at the difference. This one with mascara, this one without. So it just brings them alive, so that even if you don't have falsies on, your lashes still look great. Because who has time for falsies every single day? So mascaras are like lifesavers. I believe that it's better to put in a lot of effort in skincare, because makeup doesn't look good if, you know, the canvas is not great. So I prefer to put in more effort into skincare than what I do on makeup, because makeup should just be fun and to just like complement my face. So that's where I spend a lot of time on. So yeah, here we go. My bottom lashes are popping, my eyebrows are popping, my natural lashes are popping. So I'm just gonna brush again, like so obsessed. Just gonna brush. So almost done. The lips, right? That's like the final thing. Lip balm. I have the driest lips. So I wish I was a pro at like lining my lips, but I just don't do it because I already have such full lips that lining them just makes them look, you know, crazy. So I'm just gonna mix my faves. I have 3 Kylie lip glosses. I could never wear this one on its own because I would look crazy, I feel. And then there's these 2. Maybe I'll try because I want to shoot another video. So let's see how this looks. But usually I will use one of these 2 to like make it more, you know, more me. By the way, these are all matte. So just gonna go and do my hair, just tie it up and then come back to show you the final look. So I just added a little bit of some crochet braids just for that extra holiday glam, because I'm currently on holiday. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna record another video after this one where I'm just gonna have like a chatty a chatty like sit down where I'm just gonna give you my thoughts on life in general. So yeah, do make sure to subscribe, turn on your bell notification. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next one.